Right, fuck this game. Not playing this game. Don't want to start as Ginger. Nope. I'm only joking. Hey you! Yeah, you. Bonsoir. Guess who's back? It's me, Peridian, here on FrenGame. We're back after a little absence, been away for a while, as you might have seen on the YouTube channel before or on Instagram. Been away for a while, moving over from East Sussex to here in Bristol. All set up now, ready to make some cracking videos for you guys, or try at least. So today we're playing Stray Cat Walk.
It was at this moment that Nathan knew. He fucked up.
Good little game. Well, from what I've seen anyway. I was quite eager to give it a go. Pretty retro, but yeah, looks good. So let's get cracking. Boom. Ooh. Oh, we have to start the game being a ginger. If that's not bad, I don't know what is. Right, fuck this game. Not playing this game. Don't want to start as Ginger. Nope. I'm only joking. A little jokey joke. Oh yeah. Nice flowers. Yes, nice flowers. Hello. Oh, I can move. Right. So, what are we? Are we a bloke or are we a girl? I think... I don't know. It's like in Zelda, a lot of the time the characters you can't tell whether they're blokes or women. Well, I say a lot of the time sometimes. But anyways, I think we're a ginger girl with a nice beard. That's the sort of girls I like. Oh yeah. Girls with beards. The best. Road. Left, right, left. Across the road. Oh, hello. Hey. Are you okay? God, it's going to be one of those games where most characters start every sentence with ... Pain in the ass, women! What's wrong? Are you lost? I'm scared. I want to go home. It is pretty late. Do you know where your house is? Hey, bitch, you want to punch in the face? No. Yes. Oh, she does want to punch in. Oh, she knows where her house is. Right. I got you. Okay. It's that way. Okay. That's pretty specific, isn't it? It's that way. I can take you home if you want. Don't know what accent that is, but Don't you want to go home? Okay. Okay. I'm not. That wasn't a very feminine voice. Strange accent as well. What's wrong? ... God, bitch, you better stop your ... or I'm gonna punch you in the vagina. God. Oh, God. Oh. No, don't you give her your scarf. You keep that scarf. Okay, fine, take the scarf. You better give that scarf back. Better? Too tight. Well, that's your fucking fault, isn't it? Shouldn't have put it around your neck so tight. Strap it around your face next time. Oh, sorry. Oh, he's gone Chinese. It's okay. It wasn't your fault. It's Gonzola. It wasn't your fault. Creepy face. Okay. Here, let me fix it for you. I don't know why I have to black it out. They do something naughty. They're like, oh, let me fix it. Ooh, my hand just slipped onto your titties. Oh, how did that? Oh no, I think this is a young girl. This is right. I'm stopping that right there. Better? Warm. Girl of very small amount of words. Perfect. Great. By the way, what's your name? Kit. Huh. God damn it. It seems every game I play, like The Walking Dead, what's the name of that kid? Oh god, I think it's an animal name. Kenny's son, who gets... Does he get killed? I can't remember. Anyways, nice to meet you, Kit. Let's take you home. Okay, we're going home. Screw you guys, I'm going home. Oh yeah. Oh, nice trees. FrenGames. Now that, if it's not an inventive name, that coming from the guy who's called his channel FrenGame. Yeah, super inventive. Well done, Daniel. I mean, pretty. But who's this Daniel you talking about? I don't know. What? Oh, getting run over. That's it. End of the game. Oh my god, nice house. Stray cat crossing. Got a whippy tail. Whippy tail. Your house is damn creepy, woman. Is this your house? Dirt. God damn it, dirt. Yes. Yes. It is fine. What the Are you sure? I sleep on the floor. Yes. Well then, take care, kit. What about your scarf? Get your scarf. Goodbye. La 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 la. I love how the width of her dress is the same width as her hat. That's very good English today, big boy. Thank you. Hey, wait, my scarf, bitch. It's in the game, I have to say it. I can't lose that scarf. Okay. Oh, so I guess. No, fuck your scarf. Going home. Screw you guys, going home. Oh. Okay. Oh. Okay. So we are going to get a scarf. It'd be such a lame game, wouldn't it? If you could just turn around, walk down the road and just be like, nope, screw the scarf. Hello? The door is open. Oh, he's gone German. Oh. Enter. Yeah, if you want the scarf, you're gonna have to enter, aren't you? You dingus. Cat house. Right. Oh, don't be starting your sentences. Your sentences with ... God damn, there's no need for that shit, man. Are you a man? I can't. I think you're a woman. I don't know. Anyway, cat. I mean, cat. Well, or in a cat. Anyways. Ooh, footprints. Cat must have went this way. Okie dokie then. Go downstairs. They don't look like kitty paw prints to me. Basement. Oh, great. That's first thing. Why? Why are you in the basement? Come on, man. Come on. Cat, are you in here? Oh. Okay, we're screwed. And we're dead. And jump scare. Blah! Okay then. Oh god. Look at the hag. Look what the cat dragged in. A guest. We must look our best. We've never had a guest before. A sight for sore left there. God damn it! A sight for sore eyes, isn't it? That's a sore lie, isn't it? Isn't it? Oh, whoa. That's creepy as hell. Who are you? Don't be so innocent. Oh, goddamn. That's even creepier. Hear that? With that? Well, she never met us, did she? Did she? Precious, isn't she? Have you seen a little girl around? You freaky little girl? Aren't you a little girl? I'm not a goddamn girl. Why do everyone keep calling me a girl just because I got a beard? Wait, what? I'd like to leave, please. she'd like to leave. To leave the nerve. The peeve we'd grieve. Is there a way out? He's staying very cool for something so creepy. Out, yes. Doubt, yes. No, not doubt. A favor. I declare a favor. A favor? Honor the favor, and then she can leave. The nerve, the peeve. Okay. What is the favor? Our favor, she asks. Please, miss, it's not a hard task. The stupid, useless, loudsman, dung-dwelling, putrescent pile of a mutt here. You talking about me? Oh, wait, no. No, it's only my dad that couldn't it. Can you tell me its name? Here. Then you can leave. Leave us behind, how unkind. Okay. How's about no, Scotty? I'm leaving. Right, it's like, right, I gotcha. Oh, shit, man. Okay, I guess we gotta start looking around. An ice sculpture of a swan. It's beautiful. It's fucking pain in the ass, that's what it is right now. Right, so they want the name of the dog. It's a dog. A dog, I think. That is no dog. Holy moly. Oh, we can go this way. Oh wow, that's not creepy at all. Picture? Okay. Hold still. Okay, boom, shakalaka. We go this way. Into another creepy corridor. There's not a single room that's not creepy. Oh. It's an old diary. Let's start to read. May 18th, 1912. To be honest, I find their back garden as terrifying as it is fascinating. The creatures that lurk there can only be described as cunning and monstrous. And yet the plants that took root there, I never could have dreamed of them. The flora seem ordinary, but their properties are, I dare say, magical. For example, the extract of rose that emanates warmth, even in the coldest conditions. Okay, the rest is scribbled out. Okay, well, that was interesting. Oh my god, what is... a dead bird? Oh my god. A flask containing a blue chemical. Okay. And the middle one? Okay. Blue, green, red. Cool. That's slightly less creepy than a dead bird, not gonna lie. Oops. A planet model on the crib. Let's see if we can... Okay. I gotcha. Okay, cool. Bird cage without the cage, yeah, because, well, we know where the bird is, don't we? Crest. Someone broke these chains. Oh. A blanket hung on the wall. Pink rabbits, yeah, cool. Blanket on the wall. Yellow ducks. Someone's broken chains. Right, so that's it, is it? Right, awesome. I'm pretty sure the potions have something to do with it, maybe. Like of test tubes. Oh, test tubes. Oh. Press X to open the menu. Sweet. Can we not take these? Oh! Yes, we can. What about this one? Oh. Not that one. Ah. Okie dokie then. Uh-oh. What the Crypt? Okay, I'm not sure whether that was supposed to be a jump scare or something, but that was a creepy ass crib. You know what I'm saying? You know, It's just one of them creepy ass cribs, you know? You know them creep? No? Just me. Okay. Right. Well, I didn't know before, but I know now. Oh, yes please. Oh yeah. Goodbye, Swanny boy. Right. Ooh, this one looks a bit... Ooh. Oh my god. Nuts. Nuts. Kick him in the nut. No. Ooh. Play some guitar. Play some, Smells Like Teen Spirit by Nirvana. Petrol is running by itself. An old film. Pick it up. Yes. Oh, let's watch a movie. Yes. Okay, the creepy dog, but looking like 50 million years younger. Trying to get a speaking ham, which is normal, you know, that's just... Oh, what the... Fiddle? The two son? Oh wait, that's his son? Whoa. Oh, what the... Oh, whoa, what the fuck is that behind me? Okay. It's offering an egg. I'm gonna take the egg. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Right, and with the net how do you spell Foss again? Oh no. Oh, okay, okay, lips, moving lips, and okay, that's... Yep, still creepy. Yep. Faust the dog. Oh. I think so. So it's, is it force? Wrong. Now shoe, moving on. Oh, god damn it. Right, I got the name. Yes, I can. Fost. Hey. Correct how? Foul play, I suspect. Must we ask for another favour? No! No, not a fucking favour! Fuck your favour, stick 'em right up your anus! Must we? We mustn't hate her. Another favour will right the wrong. What wrong? I got your fucking name in the dog. Fuck your dog, fuck you, and fuck your fucking favours. Fuck! Favours for favours. Bring us the favourite food of the round. A what? Now scram. Favourite food of the ram. A ram? Did they just eat grass or something? Oh. The satellite's a bit... Okay, they weren't there before, I swear. Red inscription on the skull. Thus, Erad. Second half inscription is missing. Right. Atom who? First half of the inscription is missing. Yeah. So, Usham Hasam Hugh. I think that's right. Isn't it right? Right. Okay. We're collecting more chemicals. Oh, right. Yes, please. last test tube, and we'll fill it with the green. Sweet. Or maybe likes. It was a bit of a long shot, I'm not gonna lie. Maybe likes eating birds. I mean, I like eating birds. Just pop into my garden and like, oh, a rabbit. Oh. Damn straight. Give me that robin. Robin and chips. Oh yeah, my favorite. Bark, bark. Okay, guys. So I had to just quickly Google it, and it says you need to drink the green potion. Right. So I wanna drink that shit. Alright. Ah! Thank God for that! Jeez! Yes, I want to drink the green potion. Bottoms up. No, you're not shagging, you're just having a drink. Oh yeah. Feeling great! I have superpowers. I'm Iron Man. Okay. So, what does... And the other one? The Ramsey. Huh. Okay. What is the Ramsey? The ram's focusing on the fur. Whoa. There's nothing here. Uh-oh. Where? Where? A hole opened up in the wall. Of course it did. Holes always open up when we're around. Yeah. No, why? I don't want to be an adult. Anyways, enter. Yes, I'm gonna enter the hole. My favorite. Oh. Okay. Goddamn, clean yourself up, fool. Your mascara's running. A lonely peanut. Oh, it's so lonely. Such a lonely peanut. I don't give a shit about everything else. I have a feeling this is what we have to crack. Okay. I'll be back, bitches. Don't you be moving. Don't be leaving. Nope. Right. So juicy. Yes. Chew my nut. No, you can just chew on them. Just a little chew. Right around my nuts. You love chewing on my nuts, don't you? Yeah. Enjoy. Enjoy my nuts in your mouth. Oh yeah. Okay, cute. And this. Stick it in the ram's mouth. Along with my nuts. Oh, yeah, you look. No, okay, enough of that. Okay. Right. Oh, no. Okay. Horn sheep's skull. Hang over the fireplace. Yeah, I know that. Yes. Ew, conjoined hearts. What the fuck? That's his favourite food. Conjoined hearts. Wow, must get very, very hungry. Right, freedom is mine. Oh, have you brought me the favourite food of the ram? Yes. Correct. The ram loves to devour human hearts. Correct. Impossible, implausible. You couldn't have known. You couldn't have known. You couldn't have known. That's creepy.